Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking black pepper chicken. So let's start cooking. We're now prepared to marinate our chicken. I have with me over here one piece of frozen boneless chicken leg. I've taken out the skin also, cut them into small pieces like this. This is approximately 250 grams. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Put them in, mix them up well first. Once you mix them up well, we'll add in 1 tablespoon of corn flour. The corn flour is to protect the protein so it will remain juicy inside. Mix up well, and we'll put this aside to marinate for about 20 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. Now we're prepared to put the dish together. I'm using a 32 cm wok by Shogun from La Gourmet. It's part of the Midori non-stick series. Turn on the flame. Using medium heat, we'll add in a little bit of cooking oil first. Next we'll add in our butter, 10 grams of butter. Now the reason why we add cooking oil to our butter is because butter burns easily, and by adding cooking oil, it will not burn. Melt the butter. Once the butter starts to melt, we'll add in our onions. 1 whole medium-sized red onion sliced thinly. Put them all in first. Fry them for a while until you can smell the beautiful fragrance coming out from it. Wow. I always love the smell of onions, garlic that's being fried inside the kitchen. Really, really good. Once you can start to smell them, we'll add in our chopped garlic. 4 cloves of it, chopped, put it in. Add in our curry leaves, a small bunch of curry leaves. If you do not have curry leaf, you can always add a little bit of curry powder, maybe about half a teaspoon or so. Next, we'll add in our black pepper, 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Mix them up really, really well. Next, we'll add in our chicken. Put all our chicken in. Spread them out. Let them mix very well with the onions, the curry leaves, the black pepper. This is going to be so good. I'll just fry them for a little while until you see that the outside of the chicken is white in color. Slowly fry them up. If the heat is too high, just reduce it a little bit. This dish goes very well with steamed rice or even noodles. Very, very good. Once you see the outside of the chicken is on the white colored side or a little bit charred, you add in water. Add in 100 milliliters of water. Add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. As well as half a teaspoon of sugar. Mix them up well. Smells really, really good now. Put the lid on. Turn the heat to low, and we'll just simmer this for 5 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 5 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow. Now we add in 2 stalks of spring onion, cut into length size like this. Put it in. Turn off the flame. Give it a good mix. And it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done. Let's have a taste. Put it on rice. Wow, very nice fragrance of curry leaves, the black pepper. This is going to be so good. 1 big spoonful with rice. Wow. Perfect with rice. This is really, really, really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. Thank you, and see you again. Bye bye. 哇，香！一句话，香。嗯。